A sharp knife is a safe knife, and as you can see from me trying to cut this paper, my knives need a little TLC. So I thought I would test out the Horl Cruise. It's a knife sharpener from Germany, and I bought it off Amazon. So I thought I'd test it out for you today. So here's the box, Horl Cruise, and just opening the box, you do see it comes with some instruction manuals and the sharpener and the magnet to hold your knife in place. So you stick the knife to the magnet and you should hear a large clack to make sure that it's adhered well. And then you just use the diamond edge first of the sharpener and run it over your blade a couple of times. And then switch your knife around so you can get the other side. And just go over it a couple more times with the diamond side. And then you're going to switch it over to the honing side. And this will get rid of any burrs that are on your knife. And you're just going to go over it a couple of times. And then switch your knife over so you can hone the other side as well. And wipe it off with a rag. And then we're going to try the paper test again. And it was a little better this time. My knives, honestly, I've had them for a couple of years and I haven't sharpened them yet. So I needed to go over it a few more times with the sharpening side. And price-wise, this was only $89, and I live in the Boston area, and it costs about $10 per knife to get them sharpened if you go to a local cooking store. So I figured over time, $89 is actually will save me a lot of money because I have a couple of knives. So if I got them all sharpened at the same time, it would probably be like $100. So in the end, this will save me some money. And we're going to do the paper test again, and again, a much better. Again, this is the Horl Cruise knife sharpener, and it cost about $89 on Amazon, and I highly recommend it.